Hello everyone, today I'm going to draw a cute bee and these are the materials that I will be using. So we're going to start with the head of the bee and we're going to draw a circle. Okay, and then the body of the bee, an oval shape. Okay, we're going to draw the little stinger at the bottom. Bees have four wings in total. So we're going to draw the first wing, just like that. And we're going to try to even it out on the other side, just like that. And then the third wing and the fourth wing. Okay, so we're going to draw the stripes. So this is the first one. We can just shade it in. And then the second one. And the bottom. Okay. All right, so now let's draw the antenna. Okay, two lines and then circle and the second circle. Okay, so let's draw the eyes. There's one circle, the second, and we're just going to shade in the inside of the pupil and a nice happy smile. All right. Okay, so let's color our bee. So we're starting with the yellow. So bees actually have 5 eyes. They can see colors. So the bees communicate through a bee dance, where to find food. Okay, the best food. They have 2 stomachs, one for storing nectar and one for eating. So they feed on nectar and pollen from flowering plants. And only the female bees have stingers. They only use the stingers when they feel threatened. Okay. So I'm gonna use a very light gray, just going around the wings, okay? There's over 20,000 bee species worldwide. And they're the only insects that produce food for humans, like honey, okay? And so bees make honey by collecting nectar from flowers and transforming it in their hives, and they store it in their honeycomb cells. The social bees, such as the honeybees and the bumblebees, live in hives or nests, while most solitary bees, they nest in the ground. And they can distinguish from human faces. They make the buzz sounds, buzz. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over. I'm also gonna use pale pink for the eyes and around the antenna. Okay, and just to even it out, I'm just gonna go around with my gray pencil crayon. Okay, my friends, so now I'm going to draw a little jar of honey. You're going to draw a little oval shape just like that. And you're going to draw one line down on each side and then a line across. Okay? And now you're going to draw another line coming down with little squiggly lines. And then you're going to bring it back up to the lid of the jar. Okay? And now we're going to draw another line down We're going to bring it across and up, okay? And we can print the letters honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Okay, and you can color the honey. I'm going to use yellow. Okay, so I'm just going to color the jar yellow. And I just wanted to add that the oldest honey in the world was found in an Egyptian tomb, 3,000 years old. And it was placed in a honey pot in the tomb of King Tut. Okay, so humans were collecting honey from bees as far as 10,000 years ago. All right, so I'm going to also color the lid of our honey purple. Okay, now I'm just going to shade the top and the edges over here. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Before I go, I do have a cute little joke. What does a bee use to style their hair? A honeycomb. Okay, my friends, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.